after eating cloves. This is what happens with your body. They might be tiny, but cloves are giants when it comes to nutrition and natural health. Used often in Ayurvedic medicine, cloves are antifungal, antibacterial, antiseptic and analgesic. They're packed with antioxidants and are good sources of minerals, especially manganese, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and vitamins. Here are 5 great uses for cloves. Culled from an Ayurvedic tradition. 1. Temporarily treat a toothache. You can temporarily alleviate the pain by dabbing a little clove oil on a cotton ball and placing it on the sore tooth or on your gums. An added benefit is that it will also pull out any infection. 2. Relieve upper respiratory infections. Ayurveda suggests making a tea to lessen, or prevent, colds and flu. It is also used as an expectorant, making it easier to cough up phlegm. Cloves are a natural painkiller and also attack germs, so they'll help you get rid of that sore throat. 3. Reduce inflammation. Use clove oil to massage sore muscles. Some also use it for arthritis and rheumatism. 4. Treat scrapes and bruises. Cloves are pretty strong and can sting, so the best bet is to probably make a poultice with a little olive oil. 5. Improve digestion. Cloves help relax the smooth lining of the GI tract, so they help alleviate vomiting, diarrhea, intestinal gas and stomachaches. Just be careful, since they're strong, they could also irritate the stomach.